Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the exact painting texture file so you can replace it safely. Open the Minecraft. Jar for the version you're targeting and extract assets /Minecraft/textures/painting. PNG into a working folder. This is the image you will edit. Make a backup of the original painting. PNG now. If something breaks, you can restore it. Once done, open the image in an editor that supports transparency and grid snapping, so you can preserve each painting's 16x16 or 64x64 tile layout. You now modify the artwork within the required grid so Minecraft reads pieces correctly. Identify each painting tile by counting columns and rows, then edit only the tiles you want to change so neighboring art stays intact. Use layers and preserve the alpha channel. Do not change the file dimensions or swap color profiles because Minecraft expects exact pixel sizes. Once your edits look right, export as PNG with no color profile conversion, so the game renders colors accurately. You finish by installing and verifying the texture in game so your changes appear as intended. Drop your edited painting. PNG into your resource pack path, enable that pack in Minecraft, and either restart the game or use /reload to force assets to refresh. Then place a painting in world to inspect seams and alignment. If art looks broken, restore the backup and recheck the PNG dimensions, alpha channel, and file path. Make sure no higher priority pack overrides your file. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.